Okay, we see our forward friend VJ Park or Rich. Nenda me wo Assin Fosu. And I watch a road here. This is the stretch from Nyamonansa to Assin Fosu. I have used this road by 3 times in 3 years. But I was hoping there, before I enter the College of Education or Assin Fosu, we will see some improvements on their road. But trust me, what's onye, the road is very bad. Assin Fosu nenyimu. So I'm going to take you through now. Arnold, Ben Road Minister, Assin Fosu, this particular road in it, at all cost. So I said away from whom be other or be Assin Fosu will attest to this. It is very bad. Let's go and take a look at it. And see, this is the major road that connects Fosu to Kumasi. I think Obuase Fosu used the main road. And this is the status of the road. Just look at it. A main road. This is main road. Odiko Kumasi. See. Main road. Very, very, very bad. This is the status of the road. And I don't know why anybody is not saying anything about it. Cars are here and offer. And it's very bad. Very, very, very bad. Into your road minister. You are doing a lot. But I think this place needs urgent attention in Assin Fosu. Assin Fosu what I'm is a Mr. One. And the road is bad throughout the drive. Or you're bad. But this particular side now, from her echo the training college, from there the police checkpoint be or but the status of the road in on Fata Assin Fosu crack.